upstairs and hearing a lot of noises, but figured it was just the house settling, as most houses do. But things got a lot more active over the past year, and this video here is the first one that I documented accidentally. Some activity. Me and a friend of mine were on the porch. He was leaving after visiting. I live here alone, but we hear what sounds like a young woman in the house saying hello and then sorry, is what I think I hear her say. The first time she says hello, you can barely hear it because we're talking over it, but you see our expression. Just watch.
Yeah, close the door. What's that? Close the door. What's that?
Okay. Yeah, I've seen this cabinet before, but it hasn't opened since the last time I recorded it opening, because I walked into the kitchen to the refrigerator and I was walking past it and I got about right here and it went and opened behind me and scared the crap out of it. Got my heart thumping, let's put it that way. Because you don't expect that sound as you're walking by and so close to you, but it hasn't opened since, and I can jump up and down and it won't open. See, I'm banging on the floor and it still won't open anymore. I don't know, that's weird. And the refrigerator's been making a god-awful noise. It used to make another god-awful noise, like the fan bearings were screeching, and it was just such a loud whistle. Sometimes I'd just unplug it. But sometimes I could unplug it and plug it back in and it would stop doing it. But now it's making this, whoa! Okay, see, I didn't even move. I wasn't even moving. That's the first time that's happened since the last time. Okay, it's got to be a bed bearing, but I wasn't moving. Look at that. It's closed, and there's nothing on the edge. Watch this cabinet over here. Yeah. Then you're going to hear a loud bang. I don't know what the bang came from, but it sounds like it's in the kitchen. See, I don't know what that was. It sounded like something wood or... But that's all that happened on this night. Oh, there was another bang. I didn't even hear that one. Okay, a friend of mine noticed something about this video I posted the other day that I didn't notice in the normal speed, so I had to slow it down when he told me, and I checked it out, and sure enough, I think I have an explanation, but it leaves a lot of questions, so I don't know. You guys check it out and let me know what you think. It's very strange. Watch the top of the screen. See that? And then it disappears up, and then goes back to normal speed, so I can show you I moved way away from the refrigerator and it's gone. So I don't know, you know, I'm on, watch again, here we go. I watch the top of the screen. Creepy. Alright guys, let me know what you think. I have an explanation, I think, but because it disappears there, I I don't know. This is crazy, guys. You know, I used to be a huge skeptic, and if you're like me, you know, these videos are entertaining, but I always thought they were fake. And until it happens to you, you know, this has never happened to me in my life, and so I never believed. And now this crap's happening to me, and I'm getting nervous now because I don't know what to think anymore. Hey guys. In my last video, I told you guys that there had been a lot of activity in the back of the house, but I hadn't been able to catch anything. The attic doors banged a couple times and little stuff like that, noises in my office. Well, yesterday I was in my office and doing some research, and I kept hearing a noise, and I heard the attic door bang again, so I set up my cell phone camera and another camera at 2 different angles. And just let it run and hope that I caught something. So keep an eye on the wall in the hallway, and right at the end you'll hear the attic door bang. Okay. Since I left the cemetery the other day, it's been really quiet around here. This morning I'm sitting here having coffee, and one of these masks banged behind my head. I don't know which one it was, but it freaking scared the crap out of me because it's been so quiet. What the fuck was that shit? That was the fucking attic. Look, that string's moving. That was the fucking attic. Oh my god. Fuck, that's hard to pull down. What the fuck? That was the attic. Morning, everyone. That was my morning wake-up call. Whatever's living in my attic wants attention in the mornings and is being very aggressive about it. I wasn't sure what the noise was when it woke me out of a dead sleep. I figured it was probably the attic because it kind of sounded like that, or a broomstick falling, but when I looked at the string on the attic, it was just dead, laying there, wasn't moving or anything. So I thought, well, maybe it was a broom or something in the living room. And so I looked in the kitchen and the living room, and of course I didn't see anything out of place or anything, so I decided just to go back to bed. But I couldn't sleep. I ended up getting up, and my heart was thumping too much. And I checked the Ring camera because I saw that I had a notice on it, and that's what I saw. I swear, I hear somebody walking in my hallway. Like pacing. You hear that? I think whatever this spirit is a morning person, because there's been a lot of activity. A lot of activity in the morning. Let's see if the camera in the hallway picked up anything. I don't know if this phone's going to pick up that because I'm sitting in the living room. I have to listen back and see, but I swear the floor was creaking like somebody walking in the hallway. And then a few seconds later, it was like they were walking away, like they were pacing up and then back again. Another weird morning, guys. As you can see from my eyes, I'm not getting a whole lot of sleep in the past year. There it is again. Okay, this is another weird one, a new one actually. I just got back from the grocery store a little while ago and sat down to relax and watch some TV, and as I'm perusing through the streaming channels to see something, I noticed a gap here on top of the PlayStation, and it struck me odd, and I remembered I had a little teddy bear sitting there. If you look at my past videos, you'll see it. It used to belong to my son. I don't know when it went missing, because I don't really pay attention to it, but just something felt like there was a big hole here when I was looking at the TV, and I looked down and noticed the teddy bear was gone. I've looked behind it, behind this stereo thing here. I've looked around the house, and I can't find it anywhere, so I don't know what happened to it, but if I find it, I'm certainly let everyone know. Hey guys, just a quick update here. I finally went up into the attic. I had a friend that was going to come, but she's helping me move furniture and stuff, and we just never got around to it. As you can see here, all this crap that fell out. That's why I don't like going up in the attic. And I haven't been up here since last Halloween, not this past Halloween, but the Halloween before it. There's a light way up there. And I wanted to show everybody the attic because I've been putting it off. As you can see, there's nothing going on up here. I've already looked. I noticed that there's a board over here on that vent that's kind of bent down, but the screen is intact, and there's no sign of any kind of disruption in the insulation or anything over on that side, and all the soffits seem clean. Now this tub was turned over, and I don't know if I had knocked it over, but it's a heavy tub, and these lids were over here. And inside this has a blanket my wife was knitting before she passed away, but you can see it's all dirty now where the lid had come off this, and this thing had fallen over this way, over to the side, which irritates me. I don't know if I did that a year ago or not, but that's the other side. You can see there's nothing, guys. So I don't think it's an animal or anything, but this was one weird thing I found. Check this out. It was laying here. I've never seen this, or don't remember seeing it, but it's a certificate for warranty for the insulation, and the name on it is Mrs. Potter. That was the 111-year-old woman that used to live here. So that's really wild. But as you can see, guys, there's nothing in... Oh, shit, I'm gonna fall here. There's nothing in my attic to indicate an animal, and this door is so heavy I can't see wind blowing it over. Open, pushing it open because the springs are so strong. But anyway, that's the attic, guys. Any other opinions? Sure appreciate them, and I do appreciate you guys following me. Hey everyone, I want to make this update because it's been a rough morning. I thought I was calm enough to make this, so I'll try to get through without getting too upset, but this is this is going to be my final update. Because whatever this thing is, I'm probably going to have to break this into two parts. Remember how I said I didn't know how I'd react if this thing started touching me? I closed my eyes. It looked like it turned and looked at me. So I couldn't see. And I heard someone whisper. It was faint. But when I heard it walking away from me, I finally felt like I could move. And I ran. I was trying to calm down, but I could hear it continue to pace. And then it kind of sounded like it came into the foyer. And I had to get out. But, my brother listened to it. He heard the whispering, and he's gonna come Friday with some ministers from his church, and they're gonna, he said he's gonna sprinkle some blessed water and do some prayers, but it doesn't matter. I'm moving out. I gotta disconnect from this. Sounds like it's down at the end of the hallway. Right back there. Fuck. That felt like somebody's right standing behind me. Holy fuck. That was somebody right behind me. It felt like their face was right here. Like they were really tall.